Hey guys, we in the supermarket and guess what? Mila turned 5 months, so that means I am starting to give her regular food slowly but surely. I mean, I'm gonna of course blend it in a puree in a baby food. Yeah, but she forget used to normal food, not only breast milk. Yeah, so I'm cooking it myself. Because in Jamaica, it makes sense to buy those little baby food bottles. First thing, them expensive and me no know what in a them. It's convenient when you go on the road or somewhere, but when I am a stay-at-home mom, so it's a problem for me to make some baby food for my baby. At least I know what I'm putting in. So I was studying how to start introducing my baby to regular food. So I'm starting with the zucchini because it's less harsh on the baby's stomach. Zucchini, them say vegetables. What else? Yeah, man, me see cauliflower. Yeah, that's this thing. So I'm starting with zucchini and this vegetable. It's okay with the price. I mean, we can't make no food out of it, baby food. I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon and just introduce her to more and more and end up feeding her 150 milliliters. So variety is big. We in Jamaican supermarket. We in a supermarket, so vegetables them there. It shouldn't be a problem, and it's not gonna be a problem. So zucchinis them there. Zucchinis them local too. Them there. So everything there so far. All vegetables, and them say, you know, some fruits, but fruits you introduce last your baby to fruits because them sweet. Yeah. And when it comes to fruits, we might buy something, but then people say, like, you know, if you feed your baby to whatever is not in your household, like if you don't eat the berries or something regular, you better introduce your baby to it. But then again, I don't know. You know, it's a baby still, you know, but we not really do them something. We not eat berries in our household. We eat other fruits, Jamaican fruits. So as well, I'm going to make puree out of local fruits. Not only like foreign fruits. But I'm have here pear. You can make pear puree for baby. But price up for pear. I mean, I really do pear regular in my household, but for the baby probably. Errol, they are stressed out already. But we have to shop. We have to do little grocery shopping, our weekly grocery shopping a year. So I'll go and do little shopping. Yeah, Mila? And of course later, I'm going to show you our prices for the baby food. And yeah, so you understand what we are talking about. Here. Mila, say hi. Where's Mila? No. She lost it already. Oh gosh. She almost lost this thing. Hey, I can't lose this, you know. This. I can't lose it, you know. I'm not gonna give it back, but I can't lose it. She already lost it. Damn, I'm going to check it out. Zucchini. Look, pan. Zucchini, how big it is. It's local, you know. I don't know if you can see how big it is, but it's very big zucchini. It's 1 kilogram something zucchini. Why? Huge. No, sir, love zucchini, but this somebody who are gonna run the boat park, healthy running boat here, because this is a mega zucchini, and them cucumbers big too, you know. Watch back, look on cucumber. No, sir. Start put some in it. hormones in a cucumbers and vegetables, them zucchinis. Cause them huge. I stick to smaller ones. Trust it more. So since my mother come, we definitely eating more healthy. Here she is eating. She's encouraging me to buy more healthier food for the house, cause that's what she eats. So we eating with her, and yeah, I can surely say we are buying more vegetables, more fresh food. It's a good thing. It is a very good thing. Yeah, less processed food from foreign foreign food. USA, England, Canada. Yeah, that's where foreign food mostly come from, to Jamaica. So take it. So me I buy chickpeas, cause I'm making hummus right now, guys. Hummus, whatever you call it, is nice. I love it. I introduced myself. Basically, I was making it for my mom because she needs something to put on her toast. Yeah. So I started make hummus, and it worked out well for us and for me as well. So, grease chickpeas. Yeah, I gotta try make hummus out of it. Yeah. I know Errol love this thing, but health concern wise, I am cutting this out. Yeah, I'm cutting this out because it's not good for your body, but it tastes good. But can yeah man, but it can cause cancer. So me study about healthy food more and more, educating myself on how to eat healthy, how to not gain sickness, because food can definitely gain you sickness, any kind of sickness. So I'm trying to study. I just started. I mean, soon 30. I'm just a start study, but I not think it too late. I still can save myself from unnecessary sickness and illness, because my mother's situation for diabetes show me that I'm not something nice to live with. You know, diabetes are not something nice to live with. You can't eat this and you can't eat that, and your body used to this and you can't take it no more. It sucks. Living with diabetes, it sucks definitely, because it just unnecessary headache for people. Sometimes the way my mother talks, sometimes she say she want to give up, she tired, but she can't give up. Hey, you can't give up, you know, because life, you know, your life will depend on your sugar level. Yeah man, something serious. But lots of people that take it serious. When me see it with my own eyes, them you have to take it serious. So Errol helped me. Errol now rush me this time. It's amazing. Yeah man. Danny, can you believe Danny still loves them? But it says 6 months, and Jamaican pediatrician advised me to start introducing baby to food from 6 months. But I feel like she ready, because she cannot move hungry. I know. And my mother pushed me too. My mother is old school parents, so old school parents, hold them please. Because them are going to tell you if you even a crash butter cookie in your breast milk and give baby feel full. So grabbing some wet wipes. Yes, so I wanted to show you baby food. In Jamaica, it's not a lot of options, telling you straight. So don't depend on processed baby food when you come to Jamaica. Come with a blender. If you have a toddler, infant who is eating food, come with a blender, come with a steamer. Well, you can boil it, but I prefer steaming food. Yeah, so you're not gonna be not prepared. You're gonna be prepared for your journey. Yeah. So I'm checking the gerber. Not really a lot of, like, mostly rice, oats, some little cookies, some little cornflakes, stars, puffs. They call it puffs, and fruit juice. But them say it lasts. Introduce to the fruit juice toddler 12 plus months. Yeah, you can't get no. But in terms of meaty purees and vegetable purees, you probably hardly going to find them in Jamaica. So that's all the baby food section so far. Let me show you from that point. That is it. So if you come to Jamaica, be prepared when it comes to making food for your baby, because not there when it comes to lunches and dinners for the baby. Make sure you're prepared. Yeah. Hey, Mila. Yeah, just don't throw her in the air. Yeah, just always hold her. It might be dangerous. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so Auntie Jody coming to visit us. And here we come. Knoxford Express. Harold. What them drop in the store at Knoxford Express. Buy ticket and blend and perfume. Yeah, man, see that? Knoxford Express. So shall go travel from Kingston. So this is a bus station. Oh, they have a coffee store here, coffee shop. Yeah, man, they have a coffee shop. Here comes people waiting on their bus to go where them go.
About 7 o'clock tonight. But you said 2:50 on the messages now.
Child, I'm up Apple TV. Masa. Maybe things them have. It's nice and cozy here still, not hot. I like how them take care of the place. Take care of the place good. AC is there. Yeah,
and 12 be a coach. Make care of your body and your health. Once again, this is our final announcement for all passengers traveling to Mandeville and Kingston and 12 be a coach. Your coach is ready to leave. Thank you.
After 7.
Hey, Mila.
We're not going to be there at Memphis until after 7. Yes,
So,
I'll wait.
you have to be at bus station 30 minutes before.
There's only a straight ticket, not a straight ride.
They're straight.
Until they come to me like,
Yeah.
So it was
Yeah, first time.
yeah, later on.
Alright. More for show people how much one-way ticket costs still. More the price. Yeah. 5,000. How to go? Yeah, both ways to come and go. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, see, Errol. See Leo chair he wants. But no. Hello. See, Errol, Leo dream chair. Oh, minute, if you take Leo here, him now go off and leave. Look at a perfect gift for birthday we found. Look. Hey, if you show this to Leo and Daniel. Hi. Problem, you know? Nah go left without it. How much for it? 25 for your table. How much for this? How much for your gamer chair, you know? Gamer chair. Sorry, how much for Spider-Man chair? This one. 35,000? Not bad. Not bad. You see the gamer chair?
That's just the desktop screen for the Apple.
What that? On the TV, on the Apple TV, that no?
That comes with a full system.
It's a full system here.
Like the desktop, though, right? How much for that?
I need something like that. Need a new ring for my vlog activities. See, with the remote. Hey, them price not bad enough. Them price not so bad. Yeah. See them? What that? This a iMac. Oh, do not touch. Me not touch it. Yeah, them no one. If you touch it, purchase you better stay away. How much feet again? 14.
1,400.
Oh, them they even put it in Jamaican currency. Homework table. No, it's separate. See this table for 25, and I think him say 40, 35. Yeah. Leo, Danny, them need a table for do homework. Homework.
Where do I put that?
Why in the middle?
In the middle of the room?
Yeah. Errol wants to purchase it because I told Errol if I'm gonna put it for YouTube, it's a gone. Came to buy tickets, left with a table and chair. Yeah. Errol, I'm kinda worried, not scratch because I have nothing. Well, hope and pray. And hope and pray. It a travel to Richmond. But you're gonna love it. And Jenny too. I'm always at say Leo. We're there at St. Anne's Bay, Knoxford Express Business Center. Jenny. Call Leo. Call Leo.
Go call
Oh, there's a surprise for you guys.
There's a surprise in the taxi.
Hey, Fussy. Come on, come on. Come, surprise. Come, ask Leo. Come out. Лео, иди сюда. Мам, выпусти Лео. Come, Leo.
Is it Auntie Jody?
Он сейчас.
No, not yet. Huh?
Придет сейчас, побежал.
Look.
Я им только говорю, чтобы обувь надевали.
Put on your shoes, because Granny washed the floor today. Okay.
PlayStation. Miles.
Put on your shoes. But there's a part on the table. That it drop out now. Hold it.
Ой, классно.
Look, Leo. Look, it's a gamer chair.
Leo, sit down. Ой, Leo, sit down.
Then you like it?
Ой,
Leo gets up. Let me try.
подожди,
It
подожди.
says Spider-Man.
Садись, садись. Тоже. О,
And look, something else is coming.
Miles.
король.
Leo.
Leo.
Go. Leo.
Leo, Leo.
Acha. Leo!
Даня, ну-ка прекрати. Да то что такое? Постой идет, ты посмотри.
Danny, no, put on your shoes. Say thank you.
Зачем ты так?
Granny, cost
Ну
them.
как?
Because she washed the floor already.
Вытирай ноги свои, вытирай ноги свои.
Yeah, man, good.
Thank you.
Иди сюда. Даня, Даня.
Granny, I defend her clean floor.
Сначала нельзя с ногами такими бегать по асфальту. Потом на кровати везде лезешь. Нет.
Leo, get out, get out.
Leo, hold on this one.
Well, it's
Hold on
sad.
there.
This
Yeah, help me with me.
Careful.
А это письменный стол, да, Катя?
Da.
Leo, hold on this one and bring it.
Класс.
Help Daddy.
Let's go, lift up.
Класс, класс. Наконец-то, слушай.
Угу.
Они смогут.
Делать домашнюю работу.
Да.
Put on juice in the pan, brother.
А куда оно будет, Катя?
В комнату. Yeah.
Так что все окей. Давай.
Your chair.
садись,
Alright.
Soda.
Классно? Вот.
I remember the
Сегодня, Люба, сегодня в этом кресле почитаешь маме, она снимет тебя на русском, ладно? Сядешь в это кресло, а что стесняешься-то? Ты же хорошо умеешь читать. Ну, папа зовет. Иди. Ну, им там освещение, где надо.
Да, он специально переставит кровати.
Come on, brother.
It's a barrier day.
You keep him.
Oh no, it's Marilla.
So, what you want to do it?
It's only cold and long on the water, so. I'll put the TV over this, so.
Oh, put the table near the window.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. So,
But when you're
working place ready.
over there to play Nintendo.
Yes. Like it?
And soon we'll take the TV, put the TV in there and get them with everything.
So I think two of those gamer chairs could have go here and no. The two.
Alright. We can share and take turn and do one.
Yeah.
Can we come do one homework at a time?
Yeah.
So Leo, when you come home with your homework right this one. When I come home and I say, Leo, do your homework? I'm going to say yes.
It's your table, your office. Leo office, Lionel Stevens office, and Daniel Stevens office. Yeah?
Yeah, she mentioned.
Denny? And then you go and tell Leo, now it's my turn. Give me the chair. I'm gonna do my homework. Yeah? Yes, Danny? Okay.
Sharing is what?
Carrie.
Alright. Sharing is caring.
Sometimes Daniel can play iPad in the and sometimes Andrew can play.
Danny agrees because Danny just
Mama,
don't
Danny
want to
can
do no
play
homework.
Mama, can I
But it
play?
can be his.
Mama, can I play iPod?
No, it's a school work. School week. No, we don't play iPad during school week, yeah?
I'm gonna
Remember?
play iPod.
Oh yeah, better remember that. Nell is learning Russian with Granny.
Давай даже.
121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130.
Хорошо, мы на этом остановимся сегодня. А сейчас вот почитай. Вот как называется эта книжка?
Well, Leo is showing his reading skills.
Потешки.
Потешки, умница. Ну-ка, давай начнем читать.
Чок, чок, чок. У реки
Да.
He just started
Плясал.
reading in Russian.
Плясал.
плясал,
Плясал.
плясал,
Ну,
бычок,
у реки плясал бычок. Дальше.
так, стучат, его, копи,
Це каплиця.
что волнуется.
Волнуется.
Водица.
Водица. Дальше.
Сказал баран, я купил себе
Баян. Вот это.
Daniel, what are you up to? What are you up to?
I'm not to spell.
What you doing? You don't want to learn Russian? With Granny? You want? You want to learn Russian? Yeah, you like Russian? Is it difficult or no? Difficult. Yeah, so Daniel, actually Ronaldo finds Russian language difficult. Yeah, so it's not so easy for Danny. But Leo is catching up faster. Well, he's bigger. Plus, we're going to try sign Lionel first for Russian online school. I don't think Danny is ready to take lessons in Russian yet, so we're gonna still work on him. But Lionel is good to go. Okay, bye, Danny. And as well, guys, I introduced my mom to our jerk chicken, and she loves it right now. She loves her jerk chicken, but she not put no ketchup on it, nothing. She just eats, it like that straight from the pan, from the jerk pan. She put her thing, paprika and beer things of her style. I know nothing about it. Yeah, but that's how she eats it. That's how she likes it. And as well, she only eats breast because she worry about her cholesterol, so she does not eat bony parts. She always ask about breast. Yeah, man. So she really enjoys her jerk chicken. Go and enjoy your jerk chicken. Вкусно? Alright. I guess she eat it with yams. Yams here. Yams, white yams. So she eat it. We're trying to make she gain something because her thing not ready. The steam food not ready. Yeah, man. Eat something at least that has a local flavor in it. Yeah. Well, jerk chicken is full of flavor still, but she say it's not really salty, which is a good thing for her. Yeah, cause sometimes some jerk chicken them well salty. Yeah, but this one she love it. She say it's not salty and it's just right. And she shall taste that jerky flavor. Well, I'm glad she found something what is authentic and she can enjoy it, since she can't really enjoy a lot of stuff local cuisine due to her conditions. Yeah, she can't eat and fry something. Yeah, so at least she enjoys something. Yeah, yes, Mila, at least she not starve from hunger. Yeah. Good job, Danny. Danny is helping in the house, contributing to the household. Good job. Washing his own bottle. Washing his own bottle. Right.
My daddy show you how to be. How to make it. Look, there's the soap in here. Look at that. See, turn that very low.
Oh, there's soap down here.
Yeah, that's right. Look carefully. You see everything there? Yeah. Put it on the top. And you take it like this. And then let it go. See, you don't need a lot of water. You don't need to pull it up to the top. Yeah? Alright, good job. You want to pour it? And then you have to turn off the water. When you're not using it to turn it off. Okay, Ronaldo?
Okay.
So you don't waste water. Hungry? Today, super hungry because the weather is not hot. Yeah, so mom here. The weather is extra cozy. Yeah, wind blowing. You have a fan outside sometimes. The way wind blows, it just moves it. So, yeah, man. Me there. Mila and mommy. Mila and mommy. Same way there.
Swaggy,
Be
how
a
do you
same
do
way.
it?
Be a same way.
I got fitters, man. No juice.
They're okay with something more to share. Hang on. This one yam so no. What that? Because
Daddy, can you find the
so you know
the spider